Hey all, today we will be diving into Visual Studio Code, commonly known as VS Code. This is an open source code editor developed by Microsoft, and it's available for download at no cost. You can find the links to the download and GitHub pages in the video description. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits of using VS Code for your coding projects. We'll cover everything from downloading and installing VS Code to writing and running your first Python script. Let's get started. In one of our recent videos, we covered idle, the default IDE that comes with Python. While idle is excellent for beginners and small projects due to its simplicity and ease of use, VS Code offers a more robust and feature-rich environment suitable for larger projects and professional development. VS Code supports almost every major language out of the box and offers hundreds of extensions to enhance your development experience. It is built in Git support and other source control integrations, making version control easy and efficient. It also integrates with GitHub Copilot to use AI suggestions to help you code faster and smarter. At the top of the VS Code homepage, there is a Download for Windows button. Once you click that, it will start to download. The VS Code Downloads page has many tutorials to help you get started. As you can see, Python is the top extension used. Once downloaded, go to the download location and double-click the VS Code installer. Agree to the TOS, then choose a location for the installation. Additional tasks are self-explanatory, but let's go over them quickly. Create a desktop icon adds a shortcut for VS Code on your desktop. Enable the Open with Code action in the Windows Explorer context menu. Opens files, folders, and directories directly in VS Code. Add to path allows you to run VS Code from the command line by typing in code. Register code as an editor for supported file types. Associates VS Code with specific file types, think .js or .py files. Once you've selected additional tasks, click Next and then Install. Once you click Finish, VS Code will launch as long as you have this option selected. First, make sure you're using the dark theme, which is selected by default. Then click on Next Selection. Under the Learn the Fundamentals page is where you can select extensions you want to install. You can either click on Browse Popular Extensions or select the icon of the extension you want to install on the right. Either option will bring up the Extensions Marketplace on the left, where you can actually install the extension. Once you are ready, just click Install and wait for it to finish installing the extension. When the Python extension has finished installing, we can start writing our first script. To get started, select File and then New File. Select Python File in the middle drop-down window. Next, we need to select the Python interpreter by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P. Selecting the Python interpreter ensures you use the correct Python environment, providing access to the right packages and accurate development tools. Now we can start writing our code. Let's create a simple script that outputs Hello World when run. We start by creating our main function, which will print to the screen. Now we need to call that function. The pattern def main and if name equals main is commonly used in Python to clearly define the starting point of a program. It organizes the main functionality into a dedicated function, promoting better code organization and readability. Additionally, it allows the script to be imported as a module in other scripts without executing the main function, enhancing reusability and modularity. Now we need to save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. Give the file a name and then click Save. Press Ctrl+Backtick to open the integrated terminal. Type in Python and the name of your script and then press Enter to run it. By following these steps, you'll be ready to start coding in Python using Visual Studio Code. Happy coding! If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Subscribe to get notifications of our weekly content. Comment below to let us know what Python topic you'd like to see explained next.